Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. Gareth here. Today I'm going to be creating one of the steampunk insects. I posted a picture of one I did on Facebook a few weeks ago. These bulbs are from Poundland. These are a range of bulbs they sell in Poundland. They're from a company called Oasis, and they're called antique bulbs. I'm just going to take them out and show you. This is the long one. And then I used this bulb on the other one I did. So I'm going to create, using a multitude of metal embellishments sold in my store. I just wanted to show you the wings that are currently available. You have the rose gold, the yellow gold, and the bronze. They're the only ones I have in stock currently. As soon as the other ones come back in, I will add those to my stock. But there we go. The rose gold and the yellow gold are slightly smaller, but not by much. So we have those as well. And I believe I've got some of those in my box of goodies. And I'm going to use a combination of E6000 and hot glue. So I've got some cogs and things which I'll probably use. I'm sure I've got some butterflies in there. Okay, so let me get hold of my wire that I need. Okay crafters, I have this very malleable wire. Now I don't know what gauge it is, it's just something that was wrapped. I brought some chicken wire from Poundland and this was wrapped around it. But you want a wire for its legs that is not too thin, but at the same time not overly thick where you can't bend and create things with it. So I'm going to cut 2 lengths of this for my bug's legs. I think I'm going to create this longer one because in the one I did and posted on Facebook, I used this bulb here. So for the legs, I am simply going to wrap my wire around the bulb. Let's move things out of the way so you can get a clear view. And I'm going to twist. Obviously, there are ways where you can buy what's that machine called now? It melts the metals. Oh gosh, what's it called? If I remember what it's called, I will link the name of it on the screen here. I need to get hold of my other pliers. Right crafters, I've just got my round nose pliers here and I'm going to bend the ends of this back on itself to give it a nice neat finish, and also to give it a kind of a like almost like feet. So that's that, and that will give my critter something to stand on. Now on this one I'm only going to put 2 feet on there, and I think I might go down the do I want to use the bronze wings? I think I do. I'm trying to decide whether I want the shorter wings or the longer wings. I apologise if you can hear my neighbour's music, he does have it rather loud. And I think I'm going to go for the shorter ones, crafters. I think the shorter ones look better. So I'm going to use 2 of the... Now do I want them facing inwards like that? Or should I have them on the side? On the top. I think I'm going to have them on the top. So like I said, I'm going to use a combination of the E6000, which is the wet glue, and the hot glue, just because the E6000 takes a bit of time to dry. This way I can put both on and not have to worry about that long drying time. Using my spatula to hold that down. Okay, I'm just going to put more of the E6000 on top of that so that I can embellish on top and I can hide that mess there. So let's have a look. What do I want to use? So that's the beauty about having your own store. I can go shopping. So I'm just putting an array of different metal embellishments on top to finish these off. Just to neaten them up. These are some of the newer cogs that have just arrived, or not long arrived. Obviously, if you don't have E6000, feel free to use any super glue you can find. So just to show you what it looks like, I have the copper round embellishment filigree, the copper sunburst cog, and the bronze cog. And what do I want running down the side? I just need to move because of where I've glued, I just need to move my feet slightly so they're actually underneath. Sorry if I was out of frame there, crafters. Right, what else do I want to add? I think I'm going to add on the clock hands onto the top here as well. So spot of hot glue and the E6000. Do I want one of those at the front? I'm not sure if I think that might. See, the thing is, you can add as much as you like. You can have them as plain as you want them, or as detailed as you want them. I'm just wondering if that's enough for me for this particular one. Okay, I think that's enough for that one. So let's bring over this other one. Okay, using the same wire, I'm going to put some feet on the underside. And like I said, I'm just twisting these on. And those are obviously too small. So let's cut some longer lengths. Oh dear. You need a longer piece, Gareth. There we go, a longer piece, much longer. Right, let's try again, shall we, crafters? I think I'm going to double this. And please take care, because obviously these things are sharp, and they can hurt, so please take care. If you can do it with a soldering iron, you can do that. I'm actually thinking about getting one and then bringing the same tutorial but using a soldering iron. So if that's something that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more of this steampunk look, make sure you like this channel. If I can get 50 likes, I will bring some more steampunk projects for you. Oh look, I've cut myself there. You must be very careful, crafters, because these metals, this particular metal is very sharp, so please be careful. Okay, give this some feet, and by bending these sharp pieces in, you're also going to minimize. And I think I might use the longer wings on this one, so I'll use the bronze wings. So glue those together. Oops. So to get a left and a right, you simply turn them over, and again some hot glue, just because I know the 6000 takes a while to set. Making sure that I've got my wires in the right place this time. Push those back, there we go. That's set. Let's put some more hot glue here so I can put something on the top. This doesn't want to set, crafters, for some reason. Come on, set. I think I'm just too eager to put other things on. That's my trouble. Okay, using some of the leaves, I'm going to put those on there too. Just hold it down a bit. Now I'm adding one of the scissors, which are also available.